this Sunday night at 10:30. Find out from Dong, Jessica, Cher, and Mo, and hear their different points of view through PLDT, clearly for you.
On Studio 23 Monday, when she rose to power, President Arroyo took the Catholic Church's stand and stopped the execution of convicted criminals on death row. But because of the alarming rate of kidnapping cases, President Arroyo lifts the suspension on the death penalty. The question is, will the death penalty help stop the kidnappings? On Points of View, 10:30 Monday, on Studio 23, Cool TV. Are you an addict? On Studio 23 Sunday, find out if you're an addict or not.
If I'm at home, I need to be able to see what's happening.
And know why people are so hooked on soap operas.
Why the heck am I watching
Parang
it? I
traffic
can't
accident.
Yeah.
Diba? The more gruesome, the more you cannot stop.
On Points of View, Sunday night at 9:30 on Studio 23. What you want?
Studio 23 Monday. Masarap ma-in-love.
Niloko mo ako!
Pero mahirap naman ang masaktan. At sa dami ng mga naghihiwalay na yon,
Wala nang kasal-kasal.
ano nga ba ang alternative para sa mga nagmamahalan?
Kasal ka muna, parang yun lang yung pinaka-gift mo sa asawa mo.
Live-in, yes. Marriage, no?
Usually naman na live-ins, kadalasan hindi natutuloy sa kasal eh.
Sa Points of View, February 18, 10:30, Lunes sa Studio 23, Cool TV.